Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to change a wheel set of a bicycle. So let's start at the front wheel. First step, we have to unlock our front brake. Now you push both the right and the left brake pedal, the brake pieces to the middle and then unlock it. Now as you can see, the brake is going outside, so now it's free to unleash the wheel. But first we have to untighten the two bolts, the two nuts on top of the axle of the front wheel. Untightened them. After this, you can unleash the front wheel by pushing it down, and as you can see, it works easily. So there it is. Now let's reinstall or assemble a new front tire. The same procedure but backside. Now push the axle back in position and then have a check looking. That's good. Now rotate the nuts right and left. Then tighten them for fixing the front wheel. After this, we have to lock the front brakes again. And how we can handle this? Push them into the middle and then lock it by using this wire. Good job! Front wheel assembling done. Let's head up to the back wheel. The back wheel has a chain. Ooh, this will be a little bit more difficult, but we can handle this. First step, unlock your wheels. Not your wheels, sorry about this. Unlock first your brake system. Good job. This is like a V-brake. And now the same like before. Untighten the two nuts at the axle. Rotating the nuts left turn. Good job. This is removing time. Do the same on the right side. Now you have unleashed the back wire, but there's a chain. So now let's bend the gear shift a little bit down, and then you're going to let or unleash the back wire until it's dipped on the ground. Job's done. We are godlike, aren't we? So for assembling, do place the back wire so that you are able to use the upper chain and the down chain and then zip it back in position. The chain, the upper side of the chain has to come over, and the downside, what it is after the gear hub, goes under the wheel. And this is good. So now push it back in position and tighten the bolts again, right and left. After this, make a little check that the chain is working nice and the wheel is spinning good. Yeah, but this looks awesome. As you can see, it's rotating in one line. Good job. Check the chain again. Good job. Everything is nice. This is the way of the chain. Good job. And as you can see, it works. And only one is left. We have to lock again the back brake system, of course. Now, use the wire to lock your V-brake back brake system, and then job's done. So easy it is to change a wheel set of your bike. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon. This was an awesome good game, isn't it?